Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to unbox this. So this is the Land Rover Defender double cab, and this is by Hot Wheels. And again, I bought this for 179, which is the MRP. So yeah, so this comes under the Dirt series. Usually those series are really nice, but they do miss out some details here and there. So let's see how this one looks. Okay, so out of the box, the casting looks really good, and the paint job is, see, this kind of looks like that Spectra Flame paint job. Okay, this is not exactly the Spectra Flame paint job, but you can see, this STH they use kind of some kind of paint job, right? This is exactly the same one. So you can see that, I mean, ruggedness here and there a little bit, right? But overall, the casting looks really solid and it looks really beautiful. And this is what I was talking about. See, they gave headlights here, like, they embossed it, but they didn't paint it. They could have just painted it white at least. So it has some level of details on the rear. You can see the logo here. I don't know. Is this supposed to be the color of the tail lights here? I mean, this here it is white, here it is red. I mean, I'm not sure. They mispainted it, but it has some level of detailing there. I'm really sorry about the noise, guys. So this has some level of detailing here. Okay, so the chassis looks really good. It has good detailing here. You can see the transmission shaft, and connects with the differential and everything. So that is really nice. I do love these kind of details. I mean, I really wish Hot Wheels did this for literally, I mean, like every casting. At least I know the newer ones actually come. The actual car itself comes with some kind of closure here, so you can't able to see anything inside that. But older cars, if they are making a casting on that, if they're giving some details like this, that would really elevate the level. That will look always beautiful. I mean, it's not just about collecting something; it's about admiring that collection, right? So this is what these kind of details which makes you admire that kind of specific casting and the collection. Okay, the rims looks really nice. I do love this set of rims on this castings. Okay, it has rear view mirror details as well. Rear view mirror as well. That is really nice. The hood detail looks really nice. So overall, it's a really beautiful casting and it's solid. Okay, so the body is fully metal. The bed is plastic. Chassis is fully plastic. So let's weigh this casting now. Okay, 36 grams, not bad at all. It actually feels a bit lighter in hand, but it crossed that 35 grams mark. Okay, let's do a roll test. No, it's not rolling. It is not rolling that well here either. Okay, so it has wheel wobble on both wheels. The front wheel wobbles a lot. Okay, since we can't able to do a roll test here, so let's do rating now. Okay, so let's see. It didn't roll on the track. It has wheel wobble, so I'm reducing one there. And again, they could have went with headlight details here. I mean, they could have just painted a white color here. For that, I'm reducing 0.5. So I'm giving 8.5 out of 10. So again, if you are a collector, go ahead and buy it. But again, if you're oriented to a specific brand of car, I don't, I don't know what your preference would be, but personally, I like this casting, so I bought it. Yeah, so it's up to you in that case. But if you are someone again who's depending on your parents or someone for money, and if you actually like, this off-road trucks or something like that, or in general trucks, I mean, then I would suggest this casting. So this is a good addition, if you ask me. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye. Okay, I'm really sorry about that. Here goes once again.